Let's take a moment to allow your mind to practice and prepare for taking the exam. Take a moment to sit or stand still. Allow your breath to get a little deeper, a little slower. And now imagine that you're walking into the space where you're going to be sitting for this exam, noticing the details of the room, using all 5 of your senses. What are the colors of the walls? What's the floor like? Are there any smells in this space? As you walk toward the desk where you'll be sitting, feel yourself moving with tall shoulders, straight back, confident, ready. You've prepared for this. You've studied. You might be a little nervous, but you know that you can do it. As you reach out to pull the chair back, feel the texture of this chair that you're going to sit on for the exam. See yourself pulling it out, sitting down, noticing if the chair makes any noise. Just imagine your hands running over any of the material that this chair is made of. Here, you'll be able to put any of the weight of your stress and your worries as you sit and feel supported and comfortable. Take in another slow, deep breath. Let it out. And allow yourself to sit up straight, tall, confident as you pick up any devices or materials that you need for your exam. And as you open it and begin, you look through the first part and think, oh yeah, I remember this. I remember learning this. I remember reviewing this. And you put down your answer, feeling proud that you've allowed yourself to prepare and that you've channeled some of your anxiety into focusing, taking this seriously. You move through the next couple parts feeling like you understand the material, that your answers are clear. Take another moment to slow down, taking a deep breath in and out. And you get to a question that you're not quite sure how to answer. You're not sure if you remember learning this in lecture or reading about it, but you don't panic. Instead, you again sit up straight and tall. You breathe in and out, and you allow yourself to put down your best guess from everything you've learned and everything that you know. And you take a moment to feel proud of yourself for staying calm and staying focused on doing your best. Again, breathing in and out. You've made it to the end. And you take a quick moment to stretch your arms out in front of you or overhead or maybe out to the side or behind you to help clear your mind. And now you review your answers, slowly going through to make sure you didn't rush, make any silly mistakes. And as you close out the exam, you take in another proud, slow, deep breath and let it out. And remind yourself that with your hard work to prepare, both with your studying and with mental preparation like this, you've set yourself up to be successful